Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Thursday, the 26th of March, 2020. It's currently 4:11 p.m. local, which is Vietnam time. This video is just to have a look at my 12-hour high probability trading and what I've done in the last 11 minutes when the new candle appeared. So this is my watch list on the right, as usual. The ones with the orange highlight are the ones I'm going to talk about in the video. The ones in the blue highlight are ones I've got trades on. The ones without a highlight means there's no trades on. So we'll start with the Oz New Zealand. Two things happened here, I think, or one. Nope, two. Right, first up, I was in a buy here. At this level, it's gone up. I closed half. I had a stop in place just above the point of entry. And I'll just move this line out of the way. You can see this spike down. Took me out, stopped me out. So the buy was stopped out. That's no longer in play. So I can get rid of that buy at that level, and the stop gone. That green line you can see below is parity, 1.0000. It's just a big number. And as you can see, price came down, touched it and went up. So now I've just taken a new sell trade. You can read my notes on the video. Sells are by the red lines. Red trend lines are showing hidden bearish divergence. So this is the sort of setup I love. Hidden bearish divergence. So we've got lower highs on price and higher highs on the oscillator, which in this case is the MACD Platinum. MACD Platinum is above the zero level, looking for sells. Here's a red QMP filtered dot, which is these green and red dots on price chart. That when that confirms on the close of the candle, I take the sell on the open of the next candle. So the Aussie New Zealand on that remaining buy trade that was stopped out, I made a whopping $1.17 profit. It's been added to the profit to date. So it's Aussie. I should start at the Aussie CAD, but we'll go to the Aussie CAD now. Again, I was in a buy trade here, closed half. When price got up near the MAs, this thing dropped off a cliff. That spike took me through my stop. So the AusCAD was a whopping $1.38 profit. It's been added to my profit total for this pair. So no longer in a buy. So that trade's gone completely. No trades on the AusCAD. You see grey lines like this, just normally a warning line. I don't know why it's still there. All right, so AusCAD, we're now Euro Oz, another one I think I've stopped out. Yep. There's in a sell up here. There's a high risk against a trend sell. Already closed out half once the MACD Platinum gone through the zero level and spiked up and took me out. So the Euro Oz, that was a profit of $14.08 on that trade, which has been added to the profit to date. So that's now no trade on the Euro Oz. I've drawn green trend lines in place. I'm always drawing trend lines as each new candle presents. Nothing's been confirmed yet. We haven't got a green dot on the MACD Platinum below the zero level as yet, nor have we got a green QMP filtered dot on the price chart. I am looking for buys now because of the MACD Platinum's below the zero level. And if this divergence is confirmed, then that's a hidden bullish divergence with higher lows on price and lower lows on the MACD Platinum. Hidden divergence is the divergence I love. Always seem to be able to get myself out of it. Well, a majority of the times anyway. New Zealand CAD, let's have a look at that. Just look at my notes. Another one that was stopped out on the spike down. I was in a buy, went up, closed half, put a stop, tighten up the stop, got taken out in that spike down. No longer in a trade, made another huge profit. No, I actually lost in that because the stop was below price. So I took a $3.49 loss in that, which has been deducted from my overall profit. So that trade is no longer in play either. So I just leave the lines on the chart to show you where the trades were and where I got stopped out in case you've missed the previous videos. Just a bit of, transparency, I guess. So no trades left on the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand USD. I'm in a buy back here, took it here, price went against me. This was a high risk trade initially. MAs are spreading down. We had no divergence to support it. Now the MACD is at the 0 level. I'm just above the entry level. So I've just decided to close the trade completely. Gave me a profit of $7.08. No use risking it. I could have closed half and bought a stop in here, but it was just too tight. It's not worth the effort. So no longer in a trade on the New Zealand USD. The profit, the whole $7.08 has been added to the total that you can see up on the right. And that's it. And this green line on the New Zealand is the 60-cent level, which is a big level, big number. So just mark them. Trend line just gives me an idea of what was happening. So no trades left on the New Zealand USD Japanese yen. I've just taken a sell trade on this up here. You can see my notes, sell at 109.904. Again, hidden bearish divergence. Lower highs on price and higher highs on the MACD Platinum, the oscillator. The MACD Platinum is above the 0 level. There's a red dot on the QMP filter. You can just see it there. I'll move the line out of the way. You can see it there. Red dot. It was a little bit late. I should have got on the open, but we're good. Doesn't matter. It's the last cab off the rank, so it takes me a couple of minutes to get to it. Now, I'm in a buy also down here. So, and that buy has been partially closed. You can pause the video, read my notes, and that's a stop in place for the buy, this red line. So, at the moment, I'm short 1 or 0.01, and I'm long 0.01 and I'm short 0.02, which means overall net on minus 0.01. That gives me an overall break even for both trades at 115.446, which is way up off the fold up the top here. As long as price stays below that, I can close both trades and be in profit. That's a good thing. It's like a partial hedge there. That's on the USD Japanese yen. Okay, that's it for all the pairs. I'll tidy up. I keep all these results on a shared spreadsheet through Google Drive. The link to that spreadsheet is in the description of the video, and normally once I finish the video and upload the video, I will then update that spreadsheet. It's normally done within an hour, but you can watch the video to see all my trades, etc. So thanks for watching, guys. If you do like the videos, please hit the subscribe button, or nothing else, hit the like button. And if you wish, you're more than welcome to join my JagFX private Facebook group, where I go into a lot more detail on the daily charts using the same method. All right, enjoy your day all, and I'll chat later. Cheers.